Alright, it's your boy Jovo, this one of the greatest conquerors of the financial markets, the wolf of Gabs himself. You know what time it is, you know what time it is. Oh, man, let's go get the financial freedom, let's go get the money, baby. Okay, I have to say what a power, cause we all about this. Okay, so as you all know by now that I am a full-time forex trader, and also I do forex content creation. You can find my content everywhere online, from all the social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, more especially YouTube. I have a YouTube channel, The Wolf of Gas. Please go and subscribe and like, okay? I really appreciate that. And also on TikTok. So this video is all about the USDCHF that I took last week. You know, according to my setup, according to the way I trade, I am a systematic trader. I don't do discretionary trading. I don't go all over the place looking for setups, buying there, selling there. Like this week I didn't have any setup according to my criteria, the way I trade. I didn't have any setup. Because of the CPI news, the market was all over the place for me. According to the way I trade, I couldn't like trade like normally and find a setup and make money. But last week I had a USDCHF that, you know, I grabbed the little pips here and there on that setups, and this video is all about that, the USDCHF buy that I had last week according to my setup. Okay, so let's get into the charts and let's see what happened. Okay, so guys, let's get into the chart. Let's see what happened. This is the USDCHF. I'm in the 4 hour right now, but usually I use the 30 minutes. But in terms of this video, we'll just use the 4 hour. But okay, first, as you can see, like ever since the 24th, prices have been going up and up, you know, up without taking out the previous day's low. Okay, so what I look for is when price really making a serious pullback, because me, I'm a classical Falcon trader. Okay, I use Falcon concepts. Okay, impulse correction, the market moves like that when it's in a trend. So what I'm looking for is a serious pullback that's taken out yesterday's or previous day's lows. As you can see here on the around the 3rd of September, we're in November. Okay, 3rd of November, price just made a serious pullback to the level of 9000000. That's a whole number right there. So these are some of the things that I'm looking for in the market, when the market pulls back to a whole number. And then I was like, okay, what kind of pattern do I see there? You know, go back to the 1 hour. I'm trying to see what kind of pattern do I have here. Okay, so it's a head and shoulder. This is what I see right now, a head and shoulder. Let me try and look for something that I can use. Okay, a head and shoulder for me, like this is the first leg. Okay, this is the first leg for me. Okay, and you will see after I plot this is the first leg, and for me this is a head. Okay, basically I'm just looking for a W or a head and shoulder at that level after a pullback. Remember, I'm looking for pullbacks. It's an impulse correction. The correction phase is when the market is pulling back. So my pullbacks, I want them to like take out yesterday's previous day's lows. Okay, so here's the last shoulder. Okay, I plotted it nicely, ne? Yeah, as you can see, this is a, you see, this is a nice head and shoulder. You know, it's called an inverted head and shoulder because it's upside down. You know, the head is over here, as you can see right there. You know, So I was like, okay, let me try a buy here. Then I took a buy at the level of 89,918. Okay, and then my first take profit was at the 90,119 level. Okay, and then my second take profit was around that level at the 90,362 level. Okay, so for me, I just took my first take profit and I moved my stop loss to my entry level, but it went back and took me out of the market, and obviously it continued to go up, as you can see, to that level where I put my second take profit. Okay, so basically this is it, man. I made a little bit of something, not that much, and basically what I'm looking for, price was supposed to go up and up and up and up and up. That's what I was anticipating, but it wasn't that time of the market. As you can see, the CPI messed it all up. But at that time I already went out of the market. So basically this is how the USDCHF went for me, man. A simple impulse correction type of setup. I made smaller pips, nothing too much to complain about, nothing too little to complain about, and we'll see as the next coming week. I hope to catch much bigger profits, and I'll come back and show you guys how I really take these setups. Okay, let's go. So, I would like to leave you with a little bit of a lesson, just to ride home with, after watching this video and ponder your mind with it. Okay, for me, there are three types of market phases. Okay, there is the consolidation phase, there is the distribution phase, and then there is the trend phase. Okay, these three types of market phases, you can see them in the chart. The consolidation phase where price is going sideways, more especially not making a lot of movement and just moving sideways in a range. Okay, and then the distribution phase is when the market is just going up and down, not sure whether it's going up or on an uptrend or on a downtrend. It's just all over the place, just up and down, 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 but not consistently going up, higher highs, higher lows, or going down with lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so the consolidation phase and the distribution phase is where the market will say it happens like 90% of the time, and then we have the trend phase. Now this is where we make money, most of us as forex traders. Okay, and it only appears 10% of the time. That's why most traders lose, because they don't understand this information. Okay, the market is always in consolidation, the market is always in the distribution phase, and that's where it's really not conducive for guys like me who are using trends to make money. Okay, so most of the time we'll be sitting back watching the market, and whether maybe here and there you'll find a setup with a little bit pips, but most of the time we make money during the trend phase, where the market, you can see clearly that okay, the market is going up, it's making higher highs, it's making higher lows, or the market is going down, it's making lower lows, it's making lower highs. Okay, so that's the lesson of today. Three types of phases: the consolidation phase, the distribution phase, and the trend phase. Okay, let's meet again on the next video. It's your boy Gio signing out.